Dazzler Robinson is set to go down against Tamara Tebow. Dazzler Robinson has a record 12-3-0, 5'9", 68.9 inches of reach for Dazzler Robinson, and she defeated Mary Spencer, Logan Hall, Chloe Chaos, Kay Scott, Mpula Ngubane, and many other high-level opponents, while Tamara Tebow has a record of 4-0, 6'0", 78 inches of reach out of Shawinigan, Quebec, Canada. She destroyed Christina Matsota, America Zamasa, Sonia Drilling, Jake is a knockout artist, but against Natasha Spence, she barely lost. Amateur circuit was brutal. I just think this chica has what it takes to stop people, and the problem is the fact that Dazzler Robinson is a technical fighter, but I believe Tamara Tebow could really give us a wonderful fight. And guys, I know this sounds crazy, but I'm gonna lean towards Tamara here. Yeah, towards Tamara.